How bad is AriZona green tea for you? That's because the tea, while providing 70 calories for one 8-ounce serving, has no fiber, protein, or fat to help you to feel full. Therefore, you'll likely experience a dip in energy, and may feel hungrier sooner. This can lead to overeating and cravings due to the spike then drop in blood sugar. What alcohol goes with AriZona green tea? Vodka, gin, rum, tequila, and whiskey could all go well enough. Is AriZona hard tea real? The beverage, part of a collaboration between Molson Coors Beverage Co. and AriZona Beverages, is made with real brewed green tea, ginseng flavor and a touch of honey. Sold in 473 ml single cans or 6 packs of 355 ml cans, AriZona Hard is line priced with Twisted Tea, its largest competitor. Why is AriZona green tea so cheap? The reason for the 23-ounce cans' low cost, according to Chief Marketing Officer and co-owner Spencer Voltaggio, can be found in the company's advertising. AriZona Beverages helps keep costs down, and the cans big, by relying on word of mouth instead of pricey ad campaigns and celebrity endorsements. What is the most popular AriZona drink? The 7 best AriZona iced tea flavors, ranked by someone who drinks way too much peach iced tea. Southern Style Sweet Tea. Mucho Mango. Classic Arnold Palmer. Iced Tea with Raspberry Flavor. Iced Tea with Lemon Flavor. Green Tea with Ginseng and Honey. How much caffeine is in an AriZona green tea? Black and diet black teas contain 15 milligrams of caffeine. Green and diet green teas contain 7.5 milligrams, and our white teas contain 6 milligrams of caffeine per 8-ounce serving. Drink AriZona. In 1992, we released our signature iced green tea. Is AriZona iced tea with lemon good for you? In looking at the lemon iced tea with real sugar, there are really only 4 ingredients: blends of black tea, filtered water, sugar, and citric acid. Not too bad for ingredients. That's 140 calories with 44 carbohydrates and 42 grams of sugar with no fiber, vitamins, or minerals. Yes, 42 grams of sugar. Is AriZona tea a Coke product? Inc., maker of AriZona iced tea products. Beginning in February 2007, CCE will begin distributing 3 flavors of a new 34 Oz. Package of AriZona iced tea to its U.S. retail customers: iced tea with lemon, green tea with ginseng and honey, and sweet tea. How long is AriZona iced tea good for? 7 to 10 days after opening the beverage. The shelf life is 7 to 10 days refrigerated, 2 to 4 days not refrigerated. The date code, which shows when the product was made, can be found near the neck or on the cap of bottles, or on the bottom of cans, stamped in black. It is based on a Julian calendar code. Why iced tea is bad for you? Iced tea is full of oxalic acid, which, when taken in excess, deposits in your kidneys and mucks up the work of removing waste from the blood, says Scott Youngquist, MD, an emergency physician at University of Utah Health. Can tea go bad and make you sick? If you'll keep it in a dry place, it won't go bad. The worst thing that is likely to happen is that it will lose some of its flavor and taste a bit stale. Drinking that tea won't kill or even make you sick, you'll simply dislike it and probably choose to discard it. Does pure leaf tea have to be refrigerated? Does this tea have to be refrigerated before it has been opened? In other words, is it shelf stable? High California Oki, 18.5-ounce bottles of pure leaf extra sweet iced tea do not need to be refrigerated prior to opening. Is AriZona green tea a diuretic? Diuretic effect. Even though green tea contains a little amount of caffeine, it has a diuretic effect that stimulates urination. Is AriZona iced tea alcohol? One of the biggest iced tea brands in the world is entering the boozy iced tea game. AriZona iced tea recently confirmed on Twitter that it's making an hard iced tea with 5% alcohol. Unfortunately, it costs a little more than the usual $1.99 per AriZona can. Why is it called AriZona tea? So how did a Brooklyn company get a name like AriZona in the first place? Voltaggio was actually trying to find a name as distinctive as Snapple, and chose Arizona after looking at a map and remembering his uncle moved there for his asthma. Is AriZona iced tea real tea? AriZona iced tea is being sued for falsely labeling their green tea with non-existent ingredients. Despite advertising its green tea tallboys as having just the right amount of ginseng, the drink doesn't actually contain, well, any. Why is AriZona tea cheaper than water? Despite being a bladder-shattering 23.5 ounces, cans of AriZona iced tea have never wavered from the 99-cent price point introduced shortly after the drink debuted in 1992. It's even printed on the label as a way of warding off sugar-water price gouging by retailers. Is AriZona green tea sweet? In AriZona green tea, the sweetness comes from a mixture of honey and high-fructose corn syrup. The gut quickly absorbs liquid sugar. Given that sugar makes up most of AriZona green tea's calories, your gut will quickly absorb a high level of sugar from just one can. Is AriZona sweet tea good? AriZona sweet tea is good. Awesome price, available in almost every store. AriZona sweet tea is good. You can't usually find a good pre-made sweet tea. Is AriZona green tea? AriZona's website claims its green tea with ginseng and honey is America's best-selling green tea, and goes on to say, ever wonder how it became so popular? 100% natural green tea. Just the right amount of ginseng and a touch of delicious Subi premium orange honey. Does AriZona green tea give you energy? AriZona green tea lacks a key energy-boosting ingredient touted on drinks, lawsuit says. AriZona green tea ads boast that the drink contains just the right amount of ginseng to provide thirsty customers with an energy boost, but that appears to be zero, a federal lawsuit says. Is Peace Tea and AriZona tea the same? It was originally produced by the Monster Beverage Company. Peace Tea is also an avid competitor of AriZona brand of iced teas in the ready-to-drink beverage category, as well as drinks from Snapple and Pepsi. Does AriZona drink have alcohol? The people at AriZona Iced Tea just rolled out a new hard version that mixes their green tea with vodka. The cans are 5% ABV and, unlike the traditional cans of AriZona, unfortunately they aren't 99 cents. Last summer it was announced AriZona was getting into cannabis-infused products including drinks, gummies and more. Is AriZona tea natural? The plaintiffs in the AriZona case challenge the defendants' advertising, marketing, selling, and distribution of AriZona iced tea drinks labeled, all natural, 100% natural, and natural, because they contained high fructose corn syrup, HFCS, and citric acid. How much caffeine is in AriZona green tea? Caffeinated tea, all of our teas contain natural caffeine. Black and diet black teas contain 15 milligrams of caffeine. Green and diet green teas contain 7.5 milligrams, and our white teas contain 6 milligrams of caffeine per 8-ounce serving. Who makes AriZona green tea? Hornell Brewing Co., Inc., AriZona Beverage Company. AriZona's corporate headquarters in Woodbury, New York.